men. And I use the term loosely, of course. I just wanted to take a couple of minutes, wish everybody a happy holiday. I wanted to thank all of you who have supported me and these videos over the last couple of years. Thank you. Thank you all very much. Two quick announcements. The flat track tailpiece has been given away and shipped out. It's gone. Nobody wants the bolt-on hardtail so far. So if you're still interested in that, let me know. It's there for the taking. Patron members get first crack at it, then everybody else. Patron member Alex Maislin shared this photo with me a while back. I thought I'd share it with you. He's making good use of his coffee cup. Thanks, Alex. Appreciate it. Longtime supporter and friend Gary Budd shared this video of his Thunderhead bike running. Over the years, I've heard people say the Thunderheads were the greatest things in sliced bread. Other people say they really don't make any difference. The one thing for sure is they are very, very rare. For the record, Gary says this thing runs great. I just bet it does. I wish I had one. This will be the last video of 2022. Next video hopefully will come out January 1st, Sunday morning, 6 a.m., same as usual. I'm going to try to wrap up the results of the oil pump experiments. Until then, I am out of here. Have a good holiday. Thanks for watching. See you next year.